Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today, our group Bueno will be presenting to you about the ethics in coughing and sneezing. There are many diseases that are spread through coughing and sneezing. This is due to not complying to the ethics that have been recommended. To understand more, let's see the video that we have prepared.
Rule number 1. When coughing, always use your tissue or a handkerchief. If not, use your arm to cover your mouth. Do like this.
Alhamdulillah.
And never do like that.
Quickly dispose the contaminated tissue into dustbin. Don't do like this.
Tahu apa tak?
But do like this.
Rule number 3. Wash your hands using clean water and hand soap or alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Don't do like this.
Mama, don't do like that. Why not you using hand sanitizer?
Rule number 4. When you are in the season of coughing or sneezing, remember to put on mask to prevent the spread of germs to other people. Do like this. But don't do like that.
As the ethics of sneezing and coughing have been outlined for us, it is our responsibility to comply with it and involve in preventing the spread of diseases through sneezing and coughing. That's all from us. Thank you.